Okay, so here's how I came up with the math problem. 2,728 divided by 124, and how it, I'm sure it will work with the stamps I have. Now realize you could have a stamp game full of unlimited stamps and be able to do any math problem you want like this, but realistically, nobody has a stamp game full of unlimited stamps. So I started with my 124 and went ahead and laid it out, the divisor, the 124, right? And what I just started doing was I just started putting some stamps down. And I started with my thousands. So I just took out some thousands and like I just decided on 2. I just put 2,000 there, right? And then, well, these tens, after thousands comes hundreds. There's 1,000, there's 100. So I gave them each 200. No, yeah, there goes my my ability to keep things looking nice. I mean, this is you planning stuff, so it doesn't have to be perfect, right? But so now they have 2,000s, they have 2 of the hundreds. These guys obviously need tens because after thousands, hundreds, tens. So each of them gets 2 tens. I'm sorry, this doesn't look perfect. There's my 4 ones. So they each get 2 tens. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? So they each have tens. Now I'm not going to put any more thought. Like I've already decided I'm going to put 2,000 here, so I can. So now I've got to think of how many hundreds I want to put here. I'm just going to put 200. You can make it 300. You can make it, yeah, whatever fits in your stamp game. 200 there. So after hundreds comes tens. So these guys got 200, so they get 2 tens for each skittle, for each 10 skittle. So there's a 10, there's a 10. There's a 10, sorry, and there's a 10. And then each of these guys you have 100, 10s, 1s. So each of these guys get 10, they got 200, they got 2 10s each. So each of these guys get 2 1s. So, and I know I didn't put all the ones in the right way, right? So then, you see how many you have. I have 8 ones. Always start with your units when you're counting. So I have 8 ones. 8 ones. I have 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10 hundreds. There are 10 tens, excuse me. 10 tens is 100. So I'm going to trade in those 10 tens, put them away, and take out 100. So I have 2 tens. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mrs. Skittle, I knocked you on the floor. I can't find, there you are. Gotcha. So I have 2 tens. So 2 tens. I have, yep. I have how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hundreds. And there's 7 hundreds. And I have 2,000. So that's how I can make sure I have enough stamps for whatever I'm doing with this long division work. All right? And you want to make sure, like, you just find a place where you have all these problems written out so you don't have to try to figure it out in your head as you go along. All right, hope that helped. I hope that all made sense. Let me know if it made sense. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be glad to try to answer them. And feel free to use your stamp game to be like, this didn't work this way. What's going on? I'll try to, it makes it a little bit easier to troubleshoot. All right, bye.